Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things we love to make in your kitchen at home. Anyway, simple recipe today. I did a nice lovely, salad. It's amazing. I want you guys to just check out this salad recipe. It's one of the fantastic salad recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. I'm always giving you the best of the best, and I know you definitely 100% you will love this recipe because it's just very simple and unique and fine dining style. All right, so please log on, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, clicking the bell, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning to my show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. So stay tuned. In the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things you love to make at home. Anyway, simple recipe today. We're gonna make you a quick recipe, salad recipe, a recipe which you would never forget. All right. So the simple thing what we're going to do now is something like this. Very easy. And as I said, simple. First thing, I'll remove the skin from the carrot, and I'm gonna be grating a carrot. All right, because once you remove the skin from the carrot, you can grate the carrot, and that's it. All right, guys. As you can see exactly what I've been doing. Nothing gonna be too complicated. Simple. Just simple. Run through the vegetable with the carrot. This is some mixed leaf, and it's just really fabulous. All right. Second thing is get some red onion. Very unique cutting of the red onion. All right, guys, I got a medium-sized red onion. Very nice and simple to make, as I can see. Nothing too complicated. Just fold it through the leaves. And that's exactly what you're looking for. Simple salad at home. All right, then we're gonna have some. This is some red apple, which is very, very good. So just gonna simply cut up some red apple to put inside of it. The red apple definitely gonna give it a lovely taste. As I can see exactly what I've been doing right here. I got some spring onion which I'm going to be using, and I know the spring onion definitely gonna bring a lovely color to it. Cucumber. Simple and nice and unique. A simple folding everything together. Then we're gonna use 1 tomato just for color. You can also use a little bit of pepper. You know what I mean? If you person who love pepper, so you can just cook a little bit of pepper inside of it. Or a bit of chili. Little bit of olive oil. So it's gonna be a very simple recipe. Nothing too complicated. All right. That's all I'll be looking for. Simple little recipe like this. Just to take the time out to say thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned and watch more recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time with more recipe, the best of the best. And please subscribe, click on the bell, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. As I said, we will always have the best recipe them for you guys in this whole entire world. As you can see, something new and something fantastic. So guys, enjoy it, and remember, subscribe and clicking the bell is very important. And please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Food News channel, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make at home. Anyway, simple recipe to make at home, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. It's just a mixed leaf salad, and you know, I mean, cucumber, red onion, spring onion, peppers, and chili. Very easy to make, 100%. I know you guys can make this one. So I want you guys to just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe coming out and a lot more ideas, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.